morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. As you already know, that we have successfully completed our sixth chapter, Banking of Class 12th Economics. So today I have decided for going for a short revision, and I have prepared 5 questions which you are seeing on my whiteboard, which you have to do in your fair notebook. So my first question, as you are seeing on the whiteboard, is explain the process of credit creation. How credit creation is done by the commercial bank. In this question, you have to state 9 points which I have mentioned in my previous lecture. You have to also draw a schedule in which you have to write rounds, deposits, loan and CRR. And you have to also mention about primary and secondary deposits which are created by commercial bank. Now my next question, as you are seeing on my whiteboard, is define central bank. Central bank is the apex bank that controls the entire banking system of a country. It is the sole agency of note issuing and controls the supply of money in the economy. It serves as a banker to the government and manages foreign exchange reserve of the country. RBI is the Central Bank of India. So I have also mentioned some statement facts about central bank. My third question is, you have to explain the functions of central bank. I am just giving you a heading so that you have a clear recall of these functions. First is bank of issuing notes. Second, bankers to the government. Third, bankers bank and supervisory role. Fourth, lender of the last resort. Fifth, custodian of foreign exchange. Sixth, clearing housing function. And last, control of the credit. My fourth question, which you are seeing on the whiteboard, is you have to compare between central bank, that is RBI, and with commercial bank. So basically we have discussed 5 differences between central and commercial bank. In first point, you have to write their definition. In second point, central bank regulates the supply of money, whereas commercial banks only contributes to the supply of money by the way of credit creation. Central bank is the custodian of foreign exchange reserve in the country. It's conducted it by manage floating to regulate exchange rate of the domestic currency, whereas commercial bank is not a custodian of forex. Fourth, central bank is a note issuing authority and commercial bank is not a note issuing authority. Fifth, the central bank focuses on the growth and stability of the entire economy, whereas commercial bank focuses on the profit maximization. Now my fifth last question is, how does the control of money supply is done by RBI or central bank in India? Basically there are 2 instruments which you are seeing on my whiteboard. First is quantitative, and second is qualitative. Quantitative instruments are those instruments of credit control which focuses on the overall supply of money in the economy. Supply of money is lowered to tackle inflation and it is raised to tackle deflation. Whereas qualitative instruments are those instruments of credit control which focuses on select sector of the economy. These instruments are used to increase or decrease the supply of money to select the sectors of the economy. So the instruments for quantitatives are bank rate, open market operations, repo rate and reverse repo rate, along with cash reserve ratio, that is CRR, and statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. Now qualitative instruments for credit control is margin requirement, second rationing of credit, and third is moral suasion. So these are the some techniques for qualitative techniques by which RBI controls the supply of money in the entire economy. So students, today we have discussed 5 questions and there was a little bit review of the entire chapter. So please complete this 5 questions in your fair notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.